gnarly on me, man. I almost went into this freaking hole.
I rode one of these Mustangs before in my old job, and I was being an idiot with it.
This is for a Mustang buyer, you know, that doesn't care about all the latest and greatest.
Yeah, pure speed.
All right, folks, what we have here is a 2011 Ford Mustang GT Premium. Also does have the Roush Supercharger kit and body kit. This vehicle is no real frills and thrills, it's all in the performance. I'll let the engine do the talking for it. All right, so what you just heard there was Ford's 5.0 V8 Mustang engine. However, this one does have the Roush performance tuning as well, which takes it from 412 horsepower to 550 horsepower and 470 pound-foot of torque. So that kind of horsepower is pretty beefy, especially for a vehicle this size. I mean, big old SUVs a lot of times don't have that horsepower. This also has a Borla aftermarket exhaust, American Muscle aftermarket smoked rims, painted black brembo brakes. Take a look at that GT's pinstripe on the side. And as you can see, the hood scoop here, you see it's aroused supercharged. Oh, we gotta pop the hood, dude. This here speaks for itself. Nothing but power under here. All right, and you can see the leather here with the blue trim, which will match it up to the outside. Pretty sharp. It's a super clean vehicle. I know the gentleman who traded it in for almost the same vehicle, same color and everything, just newer. Not bad trunk space for a sports car. So this vehicle, 94,406 miles. If you're looking for some muscle and you don't want to break the bank, this could be the perfect ride for you. Matt Cooper with Bob Hook Chevrolet.